I got dresses for as cheap as 150 shillings. Hi my loves, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back on this channel here, and you guys, I'm so excited today because I am doing another thrifting video, or rather I went for thrifting. And as always, you know, I love thrifting around Gikomba. So this time round I went to thrift for dresses. I was like running out of dresses and I wanted to really show you what I got, and you'll be very shocked because I got dresses for as cheap as 150 shillings. Actually, it is just only one dress that I bought for 500, and a bodycon that I got for 300, and everything else was for 150 shillings. If there's something I love about Gikomba, is the fact that you get value for money. As long as you're patient, you will always, you know, get it. So I want to show you like what I got. I will also want to show you how I style. I'll be styling some of these dresses, not definitely all of them, because as time goes by I have to figure out what to style with what. So I just want to show you how I'll be styling them and what I got for 150 shillings, Kenya shillings, for dresses. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, these are the dresses I got. Definitely I've made sure that they are washed. The last two dresses I've done with outfits, they were not washed, and I didn't really like wearing clothes that are not washed. So these ones are washed. This is what I got, and you can see already color. You know, I love color. So let me just show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this black dress, and it's long. It's not like long maxi, but it's long. What I loved most about this dress is the print. It's like a texture-ish. The texture of the print is really nice. It's a black. Definitely black is monochrome, right? So you can do it with, or you can wear it with a lot of things. I really loved the texture or the print on this dress. I mean, the quality, you guys, and this I got for 150. That is why I'm saying when you go to Gikomba, make sure like you're doing the most. Outfit number 2, I want to show you this. It's just a summer white dress. I really loved, or I picked this dress because I'm really struggling to get white clothes that are fitting me, and they're not common. And there's this baby shower trend that's like white is the in thing right now for baby showers. So I was really struggling to get white outfits whenever I'm being invited for a baby shower. So I got this dress. So let's see how it will fit me. I hope it will look good on me, and maybe I can also try to show you just a quick run on of how maybe I'll be styling. So guys, this is the second fit of this is the dresses. This is the second dress. Let me tell you, if there's something I love with this dress is I am in a strapless bra, and you cannot even know it, or I'm not feeling uncomfortable that my boobies will just be out there anytime. So I really love this, and I really love the texture. It's pure cotton. The only problem with this dress is that ironing will now take ages, but I'm okay with it. This is the only dress that I got for 500. Actually, the starting price was 600, and I really tried to, you know, negotiate, but I'm okay with with it. Also, the length is past the knee, of which it's a bit comfortable for me. I am not a very short dress kind of girl. I really do it once in a blue moon. So the third dress I got for 150 shillings is this dress. I'm trying to show you. Like, this dress is like a summer dress, just like this one. It's it's cotton, but also it is very light. I took it because it's polka dot. Polka dot is like the thread right now. That is what is happening right now in the market, right? So I don't really know how I'll be wearing this dress, honestly, because one of the bust issues, but I'll try to figure it as time goes by. The only reason I took this dress is because I can do with it brunches, baby showers, just like this one. But I really like these more on the brunch, Saturday kinda chill, guys. the back is very bare. It is not my kind of thing. So I think with this one I'll always have to go with what are they called? Light sweaters. Also, you see, my bust is always an issue. For dress number 4, I got this and this, 4.5, and actually they're the same texture. This was 130 each, because I think I bought a lot of clothes from one person, like she gave me a discount. This one was 130 each. I really never understood how I got these dresses, because the texture is amazing. They are light, they are frollo, like you can wear this to a lot of places. So let me show you. This is shorter than this one, so we'll go either way. So this is my dress number 4, you guys. I love the print, like the color on this dress. Oh my god, anyone who knows me knows I love color. I love color pop. Like, I'm dark, so I'm allowed to love color, you know. So I really loved this. It's a bit longer, of which it's okay with me. Like, not longer, it's just below the knee. The other one is above the knee. We are going to try now the thieves dress, of which is the same texture with this one. And remember, this is for 130 shillings each. If there's something I love about this dress, is it's one, the black on the print on this black, perfect. Number 2, they're very comfortable. Like, it's so comfortable. And I can see myself, like, the only place I can't wear this is church, because when I'm going to church, I love long outfits. But anywhere else, I'm game. GIKOMBA is the plan. So the last outfit is this bodycon, and I really loved this bodycon because, one, it's very stretchy, the material is very nice, and they're not those clothes like, you know, like maybe they were stitched in GIKOMBA. That is the word, yeah. Because I came to realize, and sometimes when bales come with like clothes that can be sold, people buy those bales and they make bodycon. But this one is not one of them. Actually, you can see the tags and everything. It's like a really good quality dress. Actually, it's made in Turkey, yeah, London, Tokyo. So let me show you. Let me show you like the full pic. Don't worry, I have a tummy, and that is always sorted, because when I'm in bodycons, I always make sure that I wear. So thank you so much for being here. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, tell me what kind of content you'd like to see me creating more. As you can note, I'm more consistent the whole of since this month, no, last month, I bet. And that is all I had for today, you guys, with thrifting and everything. Tell me, leave a comment, tell me which is your favorite dress. Tell me if you'd like to see more thrifting. Someone told me in my last, I think, GIKOMBA thrift, that they want to see me doing toy thrifting, and one of these days I will make sure that I go to toy. Though I've been to toy some few times and I didn't really like the bargains. It's a bit expensive for me. I think most of that I'm used to GIKOMBA, and I know the ins and outs of GIKOMBA, and I know how cheap GIKOMBA can be. So without much further stories and without more to add, thank you so much for being here. Remember to subscribe with the notification bell, leave a comment, like, and until next time, bye bye.